Okay guys, let's talk about the 4 things that you can do in the Clubhouse app. Let's go. The first thing that is amazing in the Clubhouse app is you can learn like amazing master classes. Now don't get me wrong, there is a lot of noise. Watch another video where I share how to find the best content, the best rooms, and the best clubs in Clubhouse so you can really filter through the noise, because nobody has time for that. Remember, this is an audio only app where it almost feels like LinkedIn Live meets college radio, so it's essentially like a podcast. Since you enter a room and listen only, I really like to be cooking and listening to an interesting topic or editing. And there's all kinds of topics, from dating to real estate to TikTok to marketing, everything you can think of, and even in other languages if you speak more than one language. So I recommend you spend the first 3 days entering rooms and learning first the dynamics of the app, because it's important that you understand the creators, their intention for the app, and how you are expected to act on the app. That's really important. Secondly, by entering a few rooms, you're going to tell the algorithm what your interests are, and the algorithm is going to show you more like-minded rooms. Then you could learn about so many things. Let's say you wanted to learn about TikTok marketing, or you wanted to learn about traveling, or you wanted to learn about being a mom and the struggles of homeschooling. You could look up those topics, and then you could also look up clubs. So it has been a great learning experience for me. I'm learning from people from different parts of the country. I'm connecting with people locally and international people too. A lot of Brazilian people I'm connecting with, where I'm originally from Brazil. The second thing you can do, and it's one of the greatest things as well, is network. I don't know what it is, guys, but there's something about the voice in this app that creates this immediate connection. We are craving union and community in this world because it's been lonely the last year, wouldn't you agree? So there's something about the voice, and I feel like the voice has been taking away like layers and barriers for people to have direct access with you. For example, I entered a room last night where this really famous, like extremely famous country singer from Brazil was in the room, like all chill. And I went up on stage as well, and he's so funny because he's just a funny dude. And you know, where else? Like if I go to his Instagram and send him a DM, he's not gonna listen to me, but here's an app where I could get direct access to celebrities and people I never thought I would. Now, caution, I don't recommend you entering huge rooms, because that's going to be really hard for you to get a chance to speak unless that huge room has a really great topic that you want to learn. But networking, follow the moderators. When you enter and find a great room, you want to make sure that if you love that moderator, that not only you follow them, the notification bell goes to sometimes. You want to change the notification bell to always. So also look up local vendors and local people with your location. So Atlanta, whatever, look up your city and see what's coming up under people and what's coming up under clubs, in order for you to help you network with like-minded individuals and in topics that you're interested in. The third thing you can do is grow your Instagram. Yes, believe it or not, since Instagram is really the only way that we can send direct messages and chat with people, I actually have seen tremendous growth in my Instagram by using this app, and I haven't even been as active as I would like. I had a goal to reach 2,500 followers back in October, and I struggled for months and months and months and just couldn't get there. 10 days inside the app, I got and reached my goal, and now I'm at 2,600, which for me was a big deal, since Instagram is not my first social media platform, and it's not the #1 place where people find me for my business and services. So grow in your Instagram, create that connection, take the step further. Right, if your Instagram is open for DMs, and what kind of DMs can people send you about. So me, I said DMs about content marketing, my topics of the things that I teach. Last but not least, you definitely can sell, but be careful. Give a lot of value, and the selling will happen naturally. So if you enter a room where people are just selling, and there's big egos, get away from that. I've already made money, more money than I thought, using this app. I've had email signups, people are wanting consultations because the networking is so strong, and I feel like it removes barriers of the funnel. I feel like, instead of like getting someone on my Instagram and then email list and then they get 5 like there's something about the voice. So selling definitely happens, but it's a place where it happens organically, where people are just getting to know you and your business, and they see that you're an expert, and then they can decide if they want to do business with you. So those are the 4 things. I definitely recommend that you watch my video on how to optimize your bio using Clubhouse SEO next.